In this video, we're going to show you how you can share a module into our Canvas Commons so that Bay District Schools teachers can go in and access that module and pull it into their course. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the module that we want to share to the Commons. We're going to click on the three dots out to the right of the module. When I click on the three dots, I'm going to choose the option Share to Commons. When I do that, I'm going to be taken to the Commons screen for sharing this resource. I'm going to go ahead and check the box of who can use this resource to all of Bay District schools. I'm going to scroll down here, and where the red asterisks are, I do have to type in information there. So this is super important to be very specific as to what the module is. So however we want to communicate to our teachers as to what the module name is, we want to make sure that we include that name in the title. So let's just say for this example, it's Module 1, Chapter 1, but I also want to include, the name or the topic in that particular case. I would just go ahead and include that there. And then I'm going to copy the title, and in the description, I usually just put the same thing there unless you wanted to get super specific as to what this particular module has in it or what's included in there. These red asterisks are the things that you have to include, so you can put what you need to in there. You also have to include an image. So I usually just try to find like a default image here. It doesn't really matter. It's just a requirement. So you just find an image that's related to, school or the education world and select that image in there. And then it is kind of nice if you don't, if you've got an opportunity to go in here and narrow down what grade level it is, that can just help in searching for the content as a teacher later on. So let's just say, like in this example, I'm going to make this grades 9 and 10. And so from there, once I've filled out all this information on this page, I'm just going to click share. And when I click share, I get kind of a confirmation that I've done it correctly because it takes me to this screen here. And now it's available inside of our BDS Commons. As a user inside of the Commons, I can go in and see what I've shared by clicking on the shared button here. And then I'm able to see all of the shared content that I've shared. You'll notice that there's a green little icon there or logo next to it. It's a module. If it's a blue icon or logo, it's an entire course. So the difference between this one and this one is this is just a module that was shared. This one was an entire course that was shared. So once you've gone through those steps, you have successfully shared that module or that item into the Commons.